office jong ka deputy commissioner ka East Khartoum district ha ka at panai terek luber arhatjarpsan kala lum jingalang ya kinong mi khaman jong gi shnong ba pher kan thum ya kinong yelam ka sinjuk kinong sin shar Shnong Par Umkhen na ka Shnong Minsyang na ka Shnong Bam Kamar na ka Shnong Nongkro bat na ka Shnong That Rang Banya Salok Halor ka Jingtarwa Banbo ya ka Jaka Tenyut ni ka Integrated Solid Waste Management Facility ha ulum soalan ubadan ha ka Shnong Nong Hali. Habakran chi nong lum kubor hadin balawai ka jingalang ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Khartoum ka kong RM Kurba kalet hu bala por Shi Bnai yaki nong yalam Shnong bakin yatheriatai sani yakani ka kam hapo ki Shnong ki jongki ringkat ka jingpen shai da ki officer nakatanan urban affairs but nak office jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board halor ka jingterwa jong ka sarkar banshna ya ka jaka thenyun ha ka Shnong Nong Hali. President jong ka sinjung kinong sin shar Shnong Par Umkhen ba super rangat ulong ba kinong Shnong ba pher ki badan hapo ka shatri jong ka sinjung kimpat shania satya ya kani ka projek ha ka ba ulakam ba ki projek jong ka sarkar kilong da kumway ha ka kot sada kat ba anda la pentre kampan kilong da kumway.
We had a meeting regarding the proposal to construct this new landfill at Nong Hali. So the issue was that the most thing that affected our local Rangba, Shnong, Sardar, Shnong, the village head is that they were not happy that they did not receive any kind of information ahead of time, that they were called just suddenly abruptly to this meeting. But I also got this information very recently that we have to conduct this hearing on the 2nd. And for that matter, because we had issued earlier last year, this year only, we had this same proposal for having this public hearing. Then when we had this, there was an issue, there were obstruction. So we were instructed that at least it's better that we call the concerned, district, two districts, Riboy and West Indian. So these two district Rangba Shnongs were called, Sardars were called today, along with the pollution board and urban affairs department. So when we called them, and then again they said, had you just without calling us today and without understanding, if you come on the 2nd, then they will definitely oppose to the public hearing. So at least we preempt that situation. It will not happen on the 2nd. We have to reschedule. And what we understand is that they also, as leaders, they cannot take it upon themselves to just take the village into confidence by hearing in one sitting today. So they were saying like if we have a chance to kind of create awareness to the public, to their people in the village, then maybe they will be able to make them understand the purpose of this project. So from what we explained to them, they're more concerned about Umkhen, that it'll be polluted because that's the main source of water for them and things like that. So we have to explain to them about the project. However, they feel that they should first create an awareness there in the village itself. So we have given them 1 month's time with their consent, of course, and then 1 month's time. In the meantime, we have a group of all the people who have attended today. Then if there any clarity, they'll be creating this awareness in the respective village, and then the people from our urban affairs and also from pollution board will go and give more awareness to the Shnong as and when they fix, and then if they have any doubts, that it be clarified. Thereafter, then we will go, the team will go to the field. After that, 1 month from today, we will have the second meeting this kind of meeting, and we pray that hopefully things will work out, and that after that, if everything goes off well, then we'll have the public hearing.
Ma'am,
Yeah, that's what I discussed with them, saying that if you look at Marten was built while when it was just started long time ago, and the Marten was meant only for about the population of 10,000. So 10,000 people, that's huge, But at that point of time, so that place was big for 10,000. But then we feel that till 2016, the people were just dumping. There was no segregation. That importance of segregating waste was not there. Things like that. So yeah, so that was built only for a very small portion of Shnong. But now, if you see, the population has gone bounce. From 10,000 now it's almost 8 to 9 lakhs. People using that, not only people of Shnong or East Castles, even neighboring district like Riboy comes and dump their biomedical waste in Marten. So these are the kind of things we explained to them. It was built for this number of people, so at that point of time it was not properly controlled, so it had spilled over to the road going to that old road behind Marten. So it used to spill. But now they have, even that place has been built up, and there's a big wall over there. Things are not spilling, because now also we have the NGT watching us. So now with this, we have been able to contain the black water, grey water, everything that it doesn't spill over anymore. So we're trying to explain to them the importance of that the district has grown, the population of the state is increasing, we need a bigger landfill, and this will be done scientifically. We explain to them all that thing, and we really need this project to take shape and to happen. So for that, we need to create more awareness so that people will accept this project in the days to come.
ma'am,
Say about 6 or 7. I don't have to. Dame person was there. Then that is from East Castles, and Nong Hali. Then 2-3 villages from Riboy. One village from Riboy, and another 2-3 villages from Western place.
ma'am, just for clarity,
That project will affect the surrounding villages.
and how many landfill sites have been identified, ma'am?
No. So far, this is the one only.
Okay.
Hoi kat kum kajingwan hadin bangila ya shong kum arkanta ai rengkat lembat ki magistrate ni DC le dan lang hane te kilai kajing batai ka long detail ba kajing batai ka babnya tengila am ki ngila jawab ki ba kini kajing batai jong pi nagaleng ga office nagaleng jongi kum kasinjuk ngila long awai ka ba pen artatien yangi kalong ba ki babun ki kam ki ba ka sarkar ka pentre kam kalong ka beper ha ki kot sada bad ha ki kam ka bagitrai yo I kajing batai kalong da kumai onda pentre kam pad ya ginu ki scheme ya ginu ki projek kalong pada kumai pat kam la ban pen ulong kumba la batai jadi nak tak tahu ka banengkong ka bang ures kalong ba ngimpat syania ka sarkar ba wala ka la batai benya ka turu ngimpat syania ba ka sarkar kan la ban le kum to kumba ka la batai